A meticulously restored castle. Located in Haltwhistle, Northumberland, England, it offers 8 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Bellister Castle is a historic castle with origins dating back to the 12th century, set within approximately 4.51 acres of gardens and grounds. The castle has been carefully restored, combining historic architecture with modern living. The main residence offers around 4,778 square feet of accommodation across 3 floors, including several reception rooms, a kitchen, and multiple bedrooms with views over the surrounding countryside. The estate also includes a detached lodge and a collection of courtyard buildings currently used for storage but offering potential for conversion. The grounds feature south-facing lawns, an orchard, a traditional walled garden and woodland. The asking price of this meticulously restored castle is £2,500,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.